Alright, so PT2. So my friend Crystal's here, and I'm like, I don't have... I need a container, eh? So, should I just put it in the bird bath? No, too far. So I gotta go get a bucket. Hang on. Okay, and the other thing I forgot to, you know what, you guys, I didn't bring my ladder outside, but it's just been like a long ADHD day, so let's just do this little, because it'll be funny, because I thought it would be totally funny. Crystal was right. Crystal had the best idea out of them all, because back in my day, a spray bottle used to be 99 cents. Now it's like, what? Fucking $3.99. I paid like $20 for this. So actually, don't buy this when you order. I wouldn't buy this. I think this is a piece of crap. I would just buy like a regular, you know what I mean? A regular spray bottle. I kind of feel dumb doing this, but you know what? It's gonna like help me sleep at night. Because these bugs suck. I was out here today and these are bugs. There's a bugs on here. So without getting myself, can you see me here? I end up painting the roses red. And it's very sprayy. It's very sprayy. And I think it was pretty toxic. It probably said like wash. I should probably wash. I should be wearing gloves and I should wash my hands. Right? It's hip to be square. Or what? It's good to die young. Okay, so this is going to be super time consuming, I can see already, but I just hope it's like poisonous enough. And yeah, I should be up higher, otherwise I'm going to get drippy. But this is what I'm doing. So this is like, we did the diatomaceous earth. We did the diatomaceous earth part. We did the neem oil, that didn't work. We tried to tape the tree. Taping the tree did not work. Dude, don't get it in your eyes, your mouth, it's gross. Ah, it burns. It burns. There was also like, probably got my bum in there, didn't I? Sorry. There's also like types of the year where you're supposed to do this. Maybe I'll just slow down. You know what I like about videoing? It teaches me to like be a little less aggressive. I'm very like ADHD aggressive. But you see my leaves are like stuck right together here. And yeah, now my mouth tastes funny because I ate some fungicide. So hopefully this will work. It's supposed to rain. I don't know, you guys wish me luck, right? Right?